Mass cycle rally on the rights and importance of the participations of people with disability in the upcoming elections 2020 was flagged off today morning from Thao Ground, Thangmaiban. Joint CEO Daulat Khan and Ramananda Nongmai Kapam of Office of the Chief Electoral Officers, Manipur flagged off the cycle rally passing through Khuyathong, crossing towards Kangla, Babupara, Singzamai Traffic, Chingamakha, Hairangoithong Bridge, Khagempali, Kwakaithel, Sayang, Tera, Nauremthong, Uripok, Nagapal and Wainaf at the starting point at the Thao Ground, Thangmaiban. Many cyclists from the young age took part in the cycle rally, which was jointly organized by the Office of the Chief Electoral Officers, Manipur, Handicap Development Foundations, Manipur, State Platform of Disabled People Organizations, Manipur, and Manipur Adventurous and Athletic Mountain Bike Association.